everyone, I am Adit.
And I'm Anshika.
We are so excited to show you around and give you a glimpse of what we do here.
Welcome to our day at our internship at Ramagya Group.
Let's go.
Our day starts with a quick meeting with the supervisor where we plan tasks and set goals for the day.
It's a great way to stay organized and make sure we are on track with the projects. Task is web management. I get to update and manage all the websites here on this web.
While I'm working on coding a new feature for our website. It's challenging but also lots of fun.
We also spend time on research and competitive analysis, which help us understand the market trend and our competitors.
It's fascinating to see that how data can drive decisions and strategies. Another important task is preparing presentation, as Ramagya Group is coming up with a new project which is Ramagya Arts Academy, and it is offering 6 programs. We were given with the task to make presentations on those programs.
Learning Photoshop has been one of the coolest parts. I'm working on a design for our upcoming project.
We also make some time for a coffee break where we get to relax and chat with our fellow interns. Today, we are learning about digital marketing, which is super interesting. The day ends, we review what we have accomplished and plan for the next day.
It's rewarding to see how much we have learned and contributed. Enjoyed seeing what we do here.
This internship was an incredible experience for us. We're excited to continue growing and discovering our passion.
Thanks for joining us.
See you next time. That's a wrap on our day at Ramagya Group.